yesterday, it's gonna help us. Okay, how many problems are on the board now? Caitlin.
One.
One. Okay. Okay. Audrey. Two. Right.
Four.
Lana. Ryan wants to make a change.
Eight.
Here's just a general question. I hadn't thought of this before. Could I have agreed with 5 or 4 and then say, I also agree with 8? Could I have 2 different answers for something like this? Yeah, okay, cool. All right, we're gonna change things though. Henry.
7.
Caitlin.
8.
Danica.
9.
Eva.
Well, I was just saying I agree with 8.
Yeah, I agree with eight.
Okay. All right, well, let's start counting them. Let me move this all over here a little bit so that it's out of the way for now. And we can still see it. Come on, don't be shy. There we go. Okay. Let's do them in order though. We don't want to do it randomly. What's the first problem that you see on this problem, this total one? What's the first problem that you see? Ty, where would you start?
4 times 2.
Let's do it. I'll put them in the same order as it looks over there. 4 times 2. What do we got?
8.
Okay. I'm going to keep the sums over here. All right. Next problem in order that you see on that big problem. Right.
4 times 3. Which is 12.
Oh, we got a.
Oh, wait, no.
Okay, Ryan wants to make an amend here.
30 times 4.
Okay. I'll just get rid of that one
Which is 120.
because the 3 is really a.
30.
All right. Excellent point. So what is it?
120.
120. Okay, thank you. Put that one over here. All right, and Danica.
50 times 30.
Okay, there is a 50 times 30. You are absolutely correct. I'm going to just be a little bit of a stickler today, and I'm going to kind of say, let's keep going in order. So you're right, there is a 50 times 30, but I still want to stick with my ones times until I get done with this column. Sam.
500 times 4.
All right, he sees the 500 times 4. Let me do that over here. Oh, this takes us way back to the beginning of our school year. Can somebody please give me the answer to that? This is kind of mental math, isn't it? Let's go with it, Audrey. How did you get 2,000 real quick?
Because 5 times 4 is 20 and then you
You are so wise. All right. Do I have anything left to do with that 4 in the ones place?
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of these guys. Okay.
This is red mark.
All right. Now I'm gonna switch colors. What's my next task? I'm gonna call on Louise.
5 times 2.
All right. Now the question is it 5 times 2?
50
Take
times
50 times 2. Okay, because the 5 is in the
2.
tens place. Okay, can somebody mental math that for me real quickly? Ava?
100.
100. Okay. Next problem that you see. Mason?
Oh, so the next,
I should call it in. Yeah.
so, 5 times 50 times 2, or not 2, 3.
Okay, hang on.
30,
Hang on.
not 50 times 30.
You got it. Good job. 50 times 30. Again, this is a flashback to that very first chapter. How can I solve this problem without like going? This is pretty easy one, I think. I think. Lens,
1,500.
how'd you get it? 1,500. Okay. I like the way you did it. You did the 5 times 3 and 2 zeros. Good. Okay. And any more problems on this? Any more problems? Just looking around, trying to get everybody out. Alana?
500.
I can do this in my head. I can do this in my head. How can I do this in my head? William, 25,000. How'd you get it, William? I agree. The 5 times 5 is the 25, and then 1, 2, 3 zeros. 25, 1, 2, 3 zeros. Any other problems? Okay, so far I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems that we had. Now what do I have to do in order to get an answer? What should I do? Caitlin, done.
You have to add it all up. Every single thing.
All right, let's try it. Okay, 8 plus nothing plus nothing plus nothing plus nothing plus nothing equals? 8. 2 plus nothing plus nothing plus nothing plus nothing?
2.
Tens. Tens. Okay, over to the hundreds columns. 1 plus nothing plus 1 plus 5. 7.
700.
Hundreds. 2's plus 2 plus 1 plus 5.
8.
8.
8,000. 2 million. 20,000.
Okay, 20,000. Nice job. Now, if we did this right, and we have made mistakes doing this before, then our standard algorithm should end up being the exact same thing. So let's check it out. Everybody come on back. 4, 5, 2, 30, 500 without the hat. 5 with the hat.
When you moved it
Okay.
over, it had lost it.
All right. Where do I start? Great. Where do I start? Let's see Zaylee. All right, let's try it. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is? Is it really a 3?
4 times
No, it's standard algorithm, so we're doing it. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. Put down the 2. 4 times 5 is, plus 1 is 21. 2,128. Do you see any of that 2,128 up here in our,
Yes.
you see it?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, good. Well, then maybe we're on the right track. What do I do next? What should I do next? Sam?
Add your spacer zero.
Add my spacer zero. Yeah, don't forget my spacer zero. Okay, why is there a spacer zero? Why is there a spacer zero, Ava?
Because that's just telling you that it's like a 10.
That,
And, well, it's like a 50 or like another. The zeros in the one spot.
I agree with
Yeah.
everything you're saying, because the 5 is not really a 5, but we're gonna treat it like one now. Okay, let's go. 5 times 2 is,
10.
5 times 3 is,
15.
plus 1.
16.
Scribble, scribble, scribble.
5 times 5 is 25, plus the 1 is 26.
Okay, let's do it together. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1.
is 6.
Is this the part where we cross our fingers?
Yes.
Okay. 8 plus nothing.
8.
2 plus nothing.
2.
6 plus 1.
7.
2 plus 6.
8.
2 plus nothing.
2.
Drop the marker. We did. Now, how many problems did we do in all? You think we were right with 9?
No, 7.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we added them all together in 7. Unless we were going to count, this is one adding problem, this is another adding problem, this is another adding problem. What, you think that's just ridiculous? Well, then we've just gone too far. All right, ladies and gentlemen, good job.
Be like